Bonjour Moussine. Écoute, ce soir nous sommes en direct de la soirée marocaine à Svedam, au Well Café. Et nous avons la chance d'avoir Moussine qui est à côté de moi et je vais parler en anglais avec lui, l'interviewer en anglais. Moussine, hello. Can you tell us about this evening, what's happening and why you're here?
Hello, Roland. Tonight is a Moroccan night. It's this type of event has been going on with Well Cafe for a couple of years, where me, a few friends, Orly, Danny from Well Cafe, we want to put an event that has a theme, and tonight is a Moroccan theme. We are. They are preparing dinner using Moroccan recipes.
Yeah.
We are projecting some videos, music, photos about Morocco.
Yeah.
And later we play Moroccan music for dancing.
By the way, you are American, right?
Yes. I am Moroccan, born and raised in Morocco.
Yeah. And what is the purpose of your visit here in Auroville?
I came to Auroville. I came to India like now 8 years ago.
Yes.
I am by training I'm an engineer, product design engineer, and I came to India to design fuel efficient cook stoves.
That's it.
For developing countries.
Yeah.
So I came for 1 year, and 8 years later, I'm still here.
Okay.
And I'll be here for many more years, inshallah.
Inshallah. And what about this oven? It's a special oven that you designed.
Yes. So these are cook stoves designed for the need of developing countries. Because in the anytime we leave the industrial world or we leave the cities, people don't have access to electricity or gas for cooking. The only option they have is wood or charcoal, and this has been going on for since the beginning of humanity, and they're still using basically the same traditional stoves that are very inefficient. When they use these stoves, they make a lot of smoke. They waste a lot of fuel. So it's bad for the environment. It's bad for people's livelihood when they have to buy the fuel. It is bad for their health because they usually inhale up to 20 cigarettes per day from those cook stoves.
So what is the specificity of your own stove?
So I talk from my perspective as an engineer. We always look at what options we have. The only option we have is wood or charcoal. We cannot change this fuel. How can we design a product that use this fuel as efficiently as possible? So we use engineering principles. It's exactly the same know-how that you use to make a car or a plane that apply to cook stove.
Yeah.
So I would say I feel I'm part of this new group of professionals who love their profession, but they feel that their profession, their skills, what they learned, all this humanity knowledge accumulated over centuries should not only be used to make things to solve problems of the rich, to make them better sexier cars, to make them lighter cell phone. We are, and if I may speak in the name of all these professionals who wants to have an impact, we want to use our knowledge to make something that has a positive impact.
We can say social.